Hello everyone, I am Dr. Suresh Kumar, medical oncologist. Does microwave cause cancer? Well, the answer is no. So microwave uses non-ionizing radiation that helps in heating the food, but it doesn't cause any damage to the cells of the body. But heating food in a plastic containers that are not microwave safe might release harmful substances like BPA, which can cause hormonal imbalances as well as potentially lead to certain cancers, but the evidence is limited in humans. So although microwave is safe, plastic is not safe, so act smartly.